Welcome to video number 227 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we're going to see a very interesting song from the upcoming movie called Ponniyin Selvan. It is a multilingual film, sometimes by the name PS1. I'll keep this song very simple and it's a very easy lyrics in a nice formal Tamil. Ponniyin Selvan, that is, the meaning is the son of Ponni. Ponni is actually the river Kaveri. And the song goes like this. The girl, who is the heroine of the movie, one of the heroines of the movie, she's asking her friend about the details of the person she loves. So here it goes. So it is Kaadhodu Kaadhodu sol means tell me in my ears, tell me in my ears. Yadendru sol, that is what it is, tell. Sol means tell. Yarendru sol, who it is, tell. Peralagana sol, is he a great handsome? Tell me. Konal mugana sol, or is he a crooked face? Tell me. Ma virana sol, is he a great warrior? Tell. Vaijalana sol, or just a word wizard, that is the person who just only talks but not a real doer. Ma virana sol, Vaijalana sol. Odade sol, Adi or Vartai sol. Odade means don't run away, tell me. Adi means hey girl. Or Vartai sol, tell a word. Kavalana sol, is he a protector? Tell me. Or is he just a targeter? Means the person who is targeting at me. Sol. Poraliya sol, is he a fighter? Or is he a Ododia sol, or the one who flees? Kavalana sol, illai Evalana sol. Poraliya sol, a fighter, illai Ododia sol. Kichu kurala sol, illai Kavi arasa sol, a shrill voice or a poetic king. Ippode sol, tell right now. Adi ingeye sol, hey girl, right here, tell. This line will be Mayaya sol, is he an illusion? Or Mayana sol, is he an all-powerful magic-like person? And the song is continuous with the Kaadhodu sol, tell me in my ears, Kaadhodu sol. Yadendru sol, what is it about? Yarendru sol, who it is, tell. Enge avan sol, where is he, tell. Yadenum sol, tell something, tell. And to listen to the song, I'll give you the link in the description, which is a proper with a nice audio. And to be able to listen the full song with a video, I think you may have to wait until the film is released. click somewhere here. You can check if there's a link here which will take you to the Ponniyin.